Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up for Tuesday, July the 5th, 2016. As we shift our attention to the September contract for front month, it was off 10 cents today, selling at $3.50 3/4, with the fall contracts going home down 9.5 cents at $3.58. Corn worked all day pretty well, trying to erase the losses incurred early on in the session this morning, but could only gain back about half of what was lost. The close day put us back at lows not seen since October of 2014, at least in the front month. Novy 16 beans went home losing 60.5 cents today, selling at 10.77 1/4. Beans are hanging out around that 50-day moving average, but right above the low of the day at 10.73 1/2. We continue to have a relatively profitable price if we continue to get these timely rains like the Midwest is seeing today, and stick close to trendline yields. Even if we are $1 off the highs, keep in mind we are still $2 above the lows that we saw just a couple of months ago. So keep in perspective where that profitability lies, and don't let these prices get behind you and look in your rearview mirror and regret not taking advantage of what this market is offering us. We saw the funds that are definitely in control of the price action, it would seem, as they sold off a little more than 25,000 contracts of beans today, and 22,000 contracts of corn. September wheat was up 2 cents at 4.33 1/2 today. It was able to get back positive after some better than expected export shipments of 560,000 metric tons. We've got the crop progress report out here just shortly. Will give us an indication of whether or not those good to excellent categories are maintaining or slipping slightly, and it will be interesting to see what percentages they offer. The Gov gives us at that time. Soybeans, keep in mind, will be under expanded limits tomorrow. We'll be able to trade $1 of either side of changed. And we will continue to monitor the strength of the U.S. dollar, as it was up today, and crude was off over $2.5 a barrel at the time of taping. Hey, thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post Market Wrap Up. Hope you have a great rest of your Tuesday. We'll talk with you tomorrow afternoon.